Ki Ophisar berkenong trei jong ka Office Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Nongston rengkat ber ka Project Manager District Watershed Selcom Data Center West Khasi Hills District kila arake ka World Environment Day arajar arsau halor ka phang land restoration desertification and drought resilience haka juga por lapli Paidbah ka program restoration of degraded land and water sources conservation West but Eastern West Khasi Hills haka Jingalang Wahliewlong Wahliewlong LP School Motheration Block. Hakane ke Jingalang, lawan cimenta du Commissioner bat Secretary Katanat Soil and Water Conservation ka Khuborjylla, Sri Joram Bedi Kumukongsan, kiwe-kiwe ki Ophisar rangba na kini ki district ke bakentop UDC Eastern West Khasi Hill, ba Gideon Karmoplang ka District Soil and Water Conservation kong Airenja ki Ophisar Sorkar na kini arteli ki district bar ki Paidbah babun balang. Keladan gajing Thung hasnong Wahliewlong kom gajing penok bah ban penjerngam ni kamariang hagane kasngi.
So especially for the benefits of the students and the youngsters, and this year's theme, like what has been mentioned, is all about restoration, to reduce this desertification and all that. And I'm very happy to hear that from the department side, they're going to take up a very big project here in our district, including West Khasi Hills, in order to bring back the forest cover to these areas which has been, become barren due to deforestation and forest burning and commercial use of forest products. Random, in fact. There's a very random approach to all these things, including sand mining, stone mining, gold mining. It is really affecting our areas this side. So I just want to share you a very, I was so much has been spoken about environment by the earlier speakers. In fact, the director was very brief about how we should protect the environment, and the earlier speakers before me also. So I just want to share a short experience about my experience in the field. A few years back when I was in the public health engineering, Shillong Peak, what the Khasis call is the source of that, the water, which they call it Khandai Undi, Khandai Uta means the nine Khandai means it's like a big number, a generalized kind of number. So it's a main source of many of the sources of water of Khasi Hills. So what happened is, in that year, one day early in the morning, my field staff came to me and said, "Sir, the water sources from that Shillong Peak catchment area has all dried up." It has really shocked me, and I had to go immediately and visit the place and to face the reality that all the water sources from Shillong Peak has dried up. So unfortunately, we had meetings with your finger.
This is a fruit piece.
Okay.
Local fruit piece.
Okay. Indigenous.
Yeah, indigenous. So unique. Ophisar.
What? There are earthworms also. There are a lot of earthworms, which is a good thing. Yeah. Yes.
So,
Yeah. Yes. We should not only do it ceremonially, but just go around and do more plants. Marvin, where are you? Take care of the plants. We'll come back after many years. Yes.
चलो